Hi, and welcome to this video. I'm Robert Bowley, and today I'm going to teach you exactly how to release and ease those stiff and tight shoulders. By the end of this video, you're going to drop the weight of the world off your shoulders, release the tension, and feel relaxed and energized. I've been using this Qigong exercise with my acupuncture clients and Qigong students over the years, and it works like a treat. First of all, stand in a natural stance with your feet shoulder width apart, your body upright, and your arms just hanging loosely down by your sides. We're going to take 3 deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let's begin. In through the nose, and gently sigh your breath out through the mouth. Let me do that 2 more times. Now just gently close your mouth and continue breathing in and out through the nose. And take a moment just to connect with your body. Start to listen inwardly and pay particular attention to how your shoulders feel. Okay, so we're going to start moving now. And quite simply, we're going to start raising the shoulders. We're going to raise the shoulders up and then relax the shoulders and the arms down once again by your sides. Coming up, keeping the neck relaxed, your arms loosely hanging. So we're not adding any tension in the arms to help raise the shoulders. Simply raise the shoulders, keeping everything else nice and relaxed, and down. Let's repeat that one more time. Lifting and lowering, relaxing down all the way. Okay, so we're going to change the movement, and now we're going to go back and forwards. So quite simply, just start to draw your shoulder blades towards the spine, gently squeezing them back towards your spine, and experience the upper chest opening up a little bit, and then release back to where you were. Now we're going to open and spread the shoulders forwards a little and round, and then relax back again to the center. Gently squeezing back, opening the chest, and release. Spreading the shoulders round and forwards, opening through the upper back, and relax back. Let's try that one more time. Again, keep the neck and the arms relaxed, and release, and then coming forwards, rounding through the upper back, and release back. Okay, so we've gone up, we've gone down, we've come back and forwards. So now we're going to combine all those movements together to form one circular movement, continual circular movement through the shoulders and the shoulder blades. So here we go. We're going to start to raise the shoulders up, and then gently squeeze the shoulders towards the spine and release down. Encourage the shoulder blades to spread, to open, and come forwards a little, rising up to the top, and then squeezing back, releasing down. Let's try that one more time. Coming forwards, and gently lifting up, keeping everything else relaxed, squeezing back gently, and release down, and relax. Now we're going to go the other way, we're going to reverse it, and I'm going to turn this way so you can see from the other side. Okay, so we're going to start by gently raising the shoulders up and encouraging the upper back to open up, to spread, and then release down. And then from there, just gently squeeze the shoulders towards the spine and lift, coming forwards, down, back, and lift. All the while checking in to how the neck feels. Keep that nice and soft. Keep the arms nice and relaxed. And feel the movement in your body. Coming up, forwards, and then release all the way down. Relax through your arms, and there we are. So, just spend a moment noticing how your body feels after that movement. Notice the difference. Notice the difference. And enjoy that feeling. It's good to, we've only done that a few times, but if you could repeat that maybe 5 to 10 times each way, you'd feel even better. If you'd like to know more about relaxing Qigong, then I have a free giveaway for you today. It's a wonderful Qigong breathing meditation. The link's in the description below this video, so go check it out and I hope you enjoy it. I also send out regular emails with the latest news about my YouTube channel and helpful tips about Qigong, health, relaxation and mindfulness. But don't worry, I won't be bombarding your email inbox. Let me know how you got on in the comments box below this video. And if you have a question, then let me know. It's always great to hear from you. If you'd like to see more of these kind of videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.